Hi Libra, this is your weekly day-by-day tarot cards reading by Emma for the week starting 12th of April 2021. The usual spread, 2 cards per day for every day of this week. And Monday with a Queen of Wands. Tuesday, the Tower. Wednesday, 9 of Pentacles. Thursday, 3 of Swords. Friday, Friday, 2 of Cups. Saturday, 9 of Swords. And Sunday, 8 of Pentacles. Your influencing energy is Page of Wands. Page of Wands is a very enthusiastic, very jolly, happy energy, eager to do that what it likes now, immediately. Lots of happiness with the Page of Wands. Now Queen of Wands on Monday with the Hierophant. The Tower Tuesday with 8 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles on Wednesday with the High Priestess. 3 of Swords with 8 of Wands. Thursday, 2 of Cups. Friday with 3 of Swords. Follows you, eh? 9 of Swords with Ace of Wands. And 8 of Pentacles on Sunday with 10 of Cups. The Emperor pairing this Page of Wands. It could be that you are dealing with somebody younger. If you have children, definitely you will be dealing with your child who and this child, this younger person, really want to do something, and something that will mean a lot for him, for her. For some reason, this person, this child is very happy about that, what is happening in its life. It doesn't need to be child, okay, because it is young energy. We always relate it to children, but it could be also somebody older, somebody in his 60s, 70s, if it's at the beginning of something that is very exciting for that person, okay? You are doing something for the first time and you are happy and you are loving it. That energy is important. That energy is dominant in here. And you are Libra authority in here. You are stepping up. You are interacting here as an authority, as a father figure. You will be one to say, yes, I approve that. Yes, I'm supporting you. And this is how it's going to happen. You see what I'm saying? You will supposed to bring structure for that what this person wants to do. It could be that it's just you there in your environment, but with this sort of energy, the Emperor, I really believe that it is somebody else needing your help to support that lovely idea, that enthusiasm, but you supposed to bring solidity. You supposed to cement this foundation. That's what it was, and that's how you come into this week. Very solid energy, very much of authority on your side. On Monday as well, with the Hierophant, you are the advisor. You are the one who knows how to do things. You are the one who's got faith in things. Okay? When and how and what is the best way for all of you, for all people involved. Having faith, believing in that project, in that new things that you people are on. Maybe together, you're supposed to do it together. Something that is for the common good, for the whole family, for the whole group of people. Supposed to affect kind of people around you as well. This group of people that are important in your life. As I said, your family, or could also be business or something, a religious group as well, maybe. Queen of Wands in your environment is Aries person, or just natural growth of this idea, of this enthusiasm. But Queen of Wands is quite solid one. That is energy, still with lots of joy, enthusiasm, very capable creator. Okay, much more mature energy than this previous one. But still, it doesn't lack enthusiasm and joy. That emotional moment is still present with Queen of Wands. But maturity, that feeling, that intuition, that things will be just perfect for you. Seeing these ideas in the future, very doable. Things begin to feel doable for you on Monday. Very positive, a very faithful moment for you on Monday. believing in your work as well, working hard on something maybe working hard on your house, on your home, maybe reconstructing something. Could also be with this Tower and Eight of Pentacles. For some of you, definitely breaking this wall to extend this room to become another extra bedroom or to become your home office. Tuesday, planning things like that or doing things like that. For some of you, for sure. It could also be that you are changing the way of making your money, doing your, skill work, something that you used to do, something that you know how. Using that knowledge, using that skill, you used to make your money, used to manifest in a certain way. From now on, you want to change that way. Like you being working for the company, now you're going to do your private business. You're going to have your home office, you're gonna be doing it from home, or you're gonna now start selling these pentacles of yours on eBay. You see what I'm saying? Change of modalities on Tuesday. The way you used to do your business, you are changing these modalities. You are doing it in a different way. You will do your job in a different way. Simple as that. You're gonna implement your skill in a different way this time. We are talking the very same thing, things that you used to do, things that you know how, just used in a different way. Just like that. Nine of Pentacles is a lovely card. It is achiever. It seems to me you are expecting some money. You're expecting the situation to complete itself in a very positive way for you. That will bring you money, that will make you happy, that will make you visible in your environment as a successful person. You will be visible as an achiever with money, with wealth. This is all about wealth and possessions and pride. It's nothing bad being achiever and being successful. Beautiful card for you. The High Priestess is within you, and this energy includes success and wealth and abundance, knowledge as well, knowing it, being secretive, being by yourself. All of it on Wednesday is being by yourself. Yes, you will be visible as an achiever, but you will expect more. You are expecting more in the future. That future is supposed to bring even bigger success, even more. That's your Wednesday with High Priestess. Okay, the High Priestess is somebody who is not expecting, but knowing that things are coming even bigger, even more successful, even more abundant. That's your Wednesday. That change in the way you are going about your business or your money making will in future bring more money and more success, that it will show results in the future, bringing more abundance in your life. I believe that what is happening Monday, that Tuesday, Wednesday, that you are changing something in the way you are doing your business or you are making your money. Some change is there for you, that's for sure, Libra. And you know that what will bring you success, wealth and more money and security in the future. This card, Nine of Pentacles, it's feeling very secure and wealthy and abundant. Very nice, in fact. Now, Three of Swords on Thursday and follows you on Friday as well. Something that is offense, somewhere somebody did hurt you, or somebody is coming towards you to tell you, look, you've done that and you did hurt me. This person is just important for you and it's coming towards you for advice, nice words, just for comforting words. And you are communicating, you do have advice, you do have ideas how to solve this problem that this person is having. Either maybe some breakup, just difficult moment in life, but you are there with solution. You are communicating, you are busy solving problem, giving advice. You do have solution, you do have ideas how to go about it, how to solve that problem. You are engaging immediately to solve that problem, to work it out. Now on Friday you do have Two of Cups paired with the Three of Swords. It seems to me that it is about some relationship with another, and it is you and another who is dear to you. You people are having a problem. You are hurting each other. I really feel that it is that kind of relationship. Somehow offensive words, deeds or something happened there, but it seems to me you are trying to solve the problem immediately. You are working out on that problem with another person. This Thursday and Friday, it's about the same problem between you and another person. Your, I don't know, your best friend, spouse, your brother, sister, somebody who is very important to you, business partner maybe. You see what I'm saying? But somebody who is important. You people somehow did hurt each other, and I feel it's both of you somehow did something to offend each other. What I'm saying, it's not that you can blame yourself or another. It's kind of happened like that. You see what I'm saying? Just happened to be, I don't know, some unfortunate situation. Perhaps you were busy with your own affair, another one was busy with its affairs, and somehow hurtful situation, problematic situation, oops, they. But as I said, you, both of you, are ready to work it out. Both of you. Things were said there, and it cannot be unsaid. It cannot be undone. You see what I'm saying? It's hurtful, but it's not going to last long because effort is there. Effort to solve the problem is there. And I believe both of you are ready to work it out immediately. Okay? What it said, it's hurtful. Okay, let's forget about it. Let's move on. Thursday and Friday, I really believe it's something like that. Ace of Wands is a beautiful energy. It's a new idea. It is within you. You are coming up with that great idea. And I believe on this day you are not even talking about it. It's just within you. But at that point you've got this nightmare about it. Idea is lovely. Okay, you are very passionate about it. For some reason you cannot bring it up because you're afraid that people will ridicule you. People will make mockery out of your idea, or it's gonna seem undoable or inappropriate or weird. What is gonna be? What is the problem with this idea? But something is problem there. You are fearing to bring up that idea. But look, this is burning bright in your head. You are very passionate about this idea, about this person. Okay, could be with Ace of Wands, lots of sexualities. Okay, but a nightmare in your environment. You are fearing to bring up that idea, to bring that passion out. You are not talking about it. It is within you. For some reason, you cannot say it on Saturday. But Sunday is much better. Okay, you are much happier. In here, the whole family, if you do have family, if you have business, the whole situation is kind of completing in a lovely way. You are grateful to have that what you have, to be there where you are. You're just being happy on this day. Lovely energy within you. Just happy that situation completed and finished in a really good way. Eventually, things were sorted out. Lovely energies on Sunday. And look, Eight of Pentacles is working on it, working on something, whatever that you are working on. Whether that you're working on the relationship, on your business, on your, I don't know, changes in your business, in your career, changes in your relationship, could be all of it. This week, it seems to me, it is two fronts that are happening in here. Your business, your career, that you are changing some modalities down there. You are changing something in the way you are making your money. It seems to me that you are changing your way of making money. You're changing something in your career. And I believe the situation will arise in your relationship as well, that you will be sorting out like urgently. You and your partner, you will both quickly urge yourself to sort out the situation, like you said, and oops, unsaid. Things like that. I think it's not gonna last. That problem in your relationship, I think it's not gonna last, but it will be significant this week as well. And that's what I said. You do have these two fronts, two battles that you are battling this week, Libra. But you will manage. You are sorting things out. By Sunday, look at this. Eight of Pentacles, if that what was problem there, where you were changing something, okay, you will change in a very positive way. Everything will end up very happy for you. You will manage that what you wanted to do, to organize, to change, related to your money making, to your work. You will manage. Very much happy family on Sunday. Really, you're going to be looking forward to this Sunday, Libra. Enjoy it.